Have you ever stared at your phone for hours, maybe even days, waiting for her to reply? You overthink every word, wonder if you said something wrong, then text again just to feel acknowledged. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most men send polite, logical texts that get lost in the noise. They fail to spark emotion, and without emotion, your messages get ignored. But texting isn't just communication, it's projection, it's influence and leadership in digital form. And the Stoics teach us to focus on what we can control, our intention and the energy behind our words. In this video, you'll learn 3 Stoic-inspired texting secrets to command respect, spark real connection, and stop chasing attention. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. This is the silent struggle many men face. They try to connect, they try to show interest, they put in effort, but instead of drawing a woman closer, they feel her drifting away. The harder they try, the more distant she becomes. And this is where most men go wrong. It's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. It's about what your words make her feel. Most men send texts that are logical, polite, even kind, but they fail to create an emotional response. They fail to spark curiosity, excitement, or desire. Without emotion, your words get lost in the noise. This is not a game of charm. It's a matter of awareness, a matter of presence. And this is where Stoic philosophy becomes your greatest ally. The Stoics taught us to focus only on what we can control. You cannot control how someone responds, how fast she replies, or what mood she's in when she reads your message. But you can control how you show up, your intention, the energy behind your words. Texting is not just communication. It's projection, it's influence, it's leadership in digital form. In this video, we're going to break down 3 powerful texting secrets that women cannot resist. These aren't shallow tricks. They're principles rooted in psychology, emotional intelligence, and Stoic thinking. When you apply them, you will stop chasing attention and start commanding respect and meaningful connection. So the question is, how do you shift the dynamic and take control of the conversation? Let's begin. Secret number 1. Texts that trigger. Curiosity. Curiosity is one of the most powerful forces in human psychology. When something captures your curiosity, your brain locks onto it and starts looking for answers. That feeling of needing to know more is what drives people to finish books, binge-watch shows, and click on headlines that promise something unexpected. It's also why some texts get instant replies while others are left unread. Most men kill curiosity from the start with messages like, "How was your day? What are you doing?" Or, "Hope you're having a nice weekend." Polite, but utterly forgettable. They don't open any emotional loop. They're easy to ignore. Instead, think about messages like, "I just realized something interesting about you. You won't believe what happened today. You did something unexpected in my dream last night." Your brain immediately reacts. You want to know more. You feel a gap, and that gap triggers a response. Stoic philosophy echoes this. Marcus Aurelius said, "If it is not necessary, do not say it." You don't need to fill the silence or prove your worth with words. Speak with intention and let mystery create movement. The more you leave unsaid, the more she wants to know. Try this. Instead of, "I had a strange day," text, "Something reminded me of you today in the weirdest way." Want to guess what it was? Now she's invested. When she asks, don't spill everything. Keep her leaning forward. Ask her a question first to draw her in. That's how you build chemistry through curiosity. Secret number 2. Texts that create anticipation. Curiosity gets her attention. Anticipation makes her stay. When a woman anticipates something exciting, her brain releases dopamine, the same chemical responsible for pleasure and motivation. That's why we look forward to vacations, surprises, birthdays. Most men ruin anticipation by giving away too much, too soon. "I planned a fun date for us," or "I got you something today." Kind, but zero buildup. Instead, build suspense. Rather than, "I got you something," say, I saw something that reminded me of you. Want to guess what it was? Instead of, I have something to tell you, text, if I told you what I just realized about you, you wouldn't believe me. Want to hear it? Let her mind race. If she presses you, tease her. I could tell you once, but where's the fun in that? Take a wild guess first. Playful, dynamic, and memorable. People remember how you make them feel. Anticipation isn't manipulation, it's awareness. You're guiding emotion with intention. Every good story has setup, pause, and reveal. Create space, delay the climax, and let her imagination run wild. She'll crave your presence without you chasing her. Secret number 3, compliments that actually work. Most men think compliments instantly win affection, but generic praise, you're so beautiful, is noise. It loses meaning when heard all the time. Seneca taught, praise not what is common, but what is rare. Beauty is common. Mindset, perspective, presence are rare. Compliment her character. I love the way you see the world. You have a calm presence that makes people feel at ease. Such compliments land differently. They speak to who she is, not just how she looks. They make her feel truly seen. Timing matters too. Compliment her goals. I respect how committed you are. Notice her vulnerability. I appreciate how open you are. These require attention and build emotional depth. When you compliment her mind and energy, you reveal your values. You're attracted to depth, self-awareness, and discipline. That makes you rare, and women notice that. Conclusion: the Stoic mindset shift. Now that you know how to spark curiosity, build anticipation, and offer genuine compliments, it's time to tie everything together. Texting isn't about being clever, it's about creating emotion and understanding the rhythm of human connection. Every message you send should do one of 3 things: spark curiosity, build anticipation, make her feel genuinely seen. If your messages don't do those, they're easy to ignore. Stoic philosophy teaches us to act with purpose. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." The anxiety after being ignored is often self-inflicted. Approach communication with intention, and that anxiety fades. You stop overthinking, and you act from clarity. Before you hit send next time, pause and ask, does this reflect the man I'm becoming? Does it spark curiosity, build anticipation, or make her feel seen? If not, rewrite it. You're not here to chase anyone. You're here to connect with intention and presence. When you text this way, you won't worry about being ignored. You won't count the minutes or spiral into self-doubt. You know your value. If someone doesn't respond, you reflect, adapt, and move forward. That's the power of a Stoic mindset. It gives you peace where others panic, control where others feel chaos, and presence in a world full of noise. Self-respect first. Remind yourself that you value yourself and respect her as an equal. Stand tall, breathe deeply, shoulders back. Focus on connection, not outcome. Your goal is mutual comfort and genuine interest, not just getting physical. Stay present. Notice her energy, body language, and tone. Start with genuine curiosity. Hey, I noticed how you laughed at that last joke. What's your secret to always finding the humor? Reference something specific about her. Use open-ended questions. What's been the highlight of your week so far? Give her space to share and invite deeper connection. Share a little. Invite her in. I had a moment today that reminded me why I love sunsets. Do you have a simple thing that always grounds you? Vulnerability begets vulnerability. Listen actively and mirror, paraphrase, so you're saying that, and echo her emotions. That must have felt really exciting. Test the waters with light touch, a gentle hand on her arm during a laugh, or on her back as you guide her through a door. Watch for positive signals. She leans in, smiles, keeps eye contact. Read her boundaries. If she pulls away or tenses, pause and give space. Then check in. Is this okay? Express your attraction respectfully. I really love the way your eyes light up when you talk about your dreams. Focus on her unique presence. Ask permission before advancing. I'd love to kiss you. Would that feel right for you? Invites consent and shows you care about her comfort. Elevate the moment with a shared experience. Want to take a walk under the stars and talk about the craziest dream you've ever had? Novelty releases oxytocin, bonding you both. Maintain emotional safety. I appreciate you trusting me with this. Keep communicating. Check in on how she's feeling. Show gratitude afterward. Thank you for an incredible evening. I feel lucky to have shared that with you. Offer a hug, hold her hand, or a gentle back rub. Follow up next day. How are you feeling today? Reinforce that intimacy is a growing trust, not a one-time event. Texting is not a game, it's a skill. Master it, and you build trust, attraction, and emotional connection. Start today. Practice these principles. Every word you send can carry weight. Every message becomes a mirror of the man you're choosing to be.